Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a crystal grid. First, let's understand the powerful purpose behind these beautiful arrangements. A crystal grid is a powerful tool for manifesting intentions, amplifying energy, and creating sacred space. Before you begin, it is crucial to clearly define your intention. This focus will guide your crystal selection and grid design, ensuring maximum effectiveness for your desired outcome. Now, let's select the perfect crystals for your grid. Begin by choosing one central crystal that strongly resonates with your intention. This will be the heart of your grid. Next, select several supporting crystals to amplify and direct the energy outwards. Consider their properties and how they complement each other. Finally, decide on a geometric pattern, such as a seed of life or a flower of life, to arrange your crystals effectively. With your crystals chosen and your pattern decided, it is time to activate your grid. First, cleanse all your crystals to remove any previous energies. Smudging or sound cleansing works well. Next, place your central crystal, then carefully arrange the supporting stones according to your chosen geometric pattern. Finally, using a wand or your finger, trace a path connecting each crystal, visualizing your intention flowing through the entire grid, bringing it to life. To ensure your crystal grid remains effective, regular maintenance is key. Recharge your grid periodically, perhaps during a full moon or by placing it in sunlight for a few hours. If you feel the energy becoming stagnant, cleanse your crystals again. When your intention has manifested, or you wish to set a new one, gently deactivate the grid by thanking the crystals and carefully removing them. Store them safely until your next powerful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.